Hi, welcome to our demo video. I'm Glenn,
And I'm Victoria.
and our project was a Discord bot called the Glenn Quest bot. So to give a little bit of backstory on this bot, I'd been giving my friends cute daily quests called Glenn Quests that were meant to be small tasks that they could do that were beneficial, whether that was resting their eyes, stretching out their hands, doing jumping jacks, etc. Sometimes if people were having a bad day, the idea is that a Glenn Quest could be something small that they could do that could cheer them up and motivate them. While we were brainstorming ideas for the project, we decided to create this bot so that it could always give quests even when I wasn't at my computer or awake, so that our friends could always get quests whenever they wanted.
So, we used a variety of different technologies to create the bot. First, in order to even create a Discord bot, we had to use the Discord API. This allows us to connect the bot to Discord, have it join servers, and reply to messages just like a person could. Since our bot keeps track of levels and experience for multiple people, we needed a database to store all this information. We used a simple SQL database and SQLite 3 for Python to implement it. Finally, we wanted the bot to be running 24/7. Our friends are all across different time zones, and they could want GlenQuest to start their day or to cool down in the evening. This was the perfect opportunity for us to use Google Cloud. The bot is hosted on a small virtual machine on Google Cloud's compute engine. This allows our bot to run at all times, even when Glenn is asleep.
This bot only has some basic commands, but we'd like to add some more in the future. You can currently ping it to say hi or bye, but the more important commands include quest, complete, and profile. If you ping it for a quest, it will give several of three categories of quests and randomly determine the amount that someone has to do a task. For example, you could end up with this. Complete is what allows you to turn in a quest, and quest completion is done through an honor system. Lastly, you can use the command profile to see your current level, XP, and quests that you have to do if the chat has scrolled past when you initially were given the quests.
GlenQuest may seem small, but they actually mean a lot to me and all our friends. There's something cute we can all participate in and talk about together. Some of us use GlenQuest as motivation for getting up in the morning, so we aren't stuck in bed forever. Of course, Glen isn't awake 24/7, so we always had to wait for her to be awake and on Discord to grab a quest. And as more people from our friend group wanted to join in on quests, it was a bit worrying that we might be putting too much work on Glen. Now with the bot, we don't have to worry about that. Everyone can get a Glen quest at any time, and Glen can take a break sometimes.
If we had more time, we would add in more types of quests. Right now, there are easy and normal quests, but occasionally people want more involved quests, so the option to ping for harder quests should be added. More quests in the current types would make quests more interesting and varied as well. In addition, higher levels should also scale the difficulty of the normal quests, so it would be nice for levels to account for some portion of quest generation. It would also be cool to add in some encounters later, which could be bigger tasks like get the groceries or do the dishes that everyone must do.
One of the most difficult challenges was just learning everything, from the Discord API to the SQL syntax. It had been years since I had used the API in SQL, and it took a bit to readjust. We made a lot of small mistakes, from regular Python errors to confusion with the API in SQL. We had to turn to documentation and old tutorials and Stack Overflow posts to figure out what was going on. We knew that learning all of this at once and within such a short time frame would be difficult, so we made sure to focus our scope on the core of our project, the daily quests, and I'm proud to say that we were able to get the main function working well. Thanks for watching.